crazy about stunts? Then subscribe to Stuntaway Lifestyle for more amazing stunt videos and press the bell icon to get notified about the new video.
Every next level of your life will demand a different version of you. This powerful quote is applicable to everyone in every field of life. Until and unless we update ourselves, it is difficult for us to reach the next level in our lives. Same strategy is applicable in stunt riding. Until we technically update our bike, it is very difficult for us to reach the next level of the sport. So in this episode, I am gonna update my stunt bike, that is TVS Apache RTR 180, with a bigger chain sprocket for more initial power and more performance, so that I can unlock the next level tricks with ease and comfort. Basically, the stock chain sprocket of a TVS Apache RTR 180 is enough for maximum freestyle performance. But I always wanted to experiment my bike by installing a bigger chain sprocket and push its limits to the max. Let's see how my bike reacts when I install this bigger chain sprocket. Before I start my episode, I would like to thank my close friend Akidi Hot Pistons for gifting me this beautiful chain sprocket, which he had ordered for his RTR 180. But by the time the order reached him, he got a buyer for his bike and his bike got sold out. So friends, this is your pro athlete Syed Ghosh and you're watching Stuntaway Lifestyle. Let's get started. So friends, finally my stunt bike is ready to rock with a 52 teeth stunt sprocket, and I am super excited to ride, stunt and check out the power of this machine. So friends, without wasting much time, let's get into action with this bike's reaction without any distraction. That was an amazing practice session within a short period of time. I could feel 40 to 50% rise in the initial power and the throttle response. I could pull off a wheelie effortlessly than before, and even in the circle wheelies, the bike was 50% much slower and stable. Well, a bigger chain sprocket is definitely a need in stunt riding. As far as normal riding is concerned, it definitely increases the initial power of the bike, but at the same time, it decreases the top speed of the bike. I would recommend a bigger chain sprocket if you have a bike dedicated only towards hardcore stunt riding and not for commuting. And if you wish to upgrade your bike with a bigger chain sprocket, you can contact the number given in the description box below, where you find a wide range of sprockets for all CC bikes. So that was my short performance in today's episode. I know I haven't performed most of the freestyle tricks yet because I have saved them for the next episode, where I'll be bringing a power-packed performance. But for that, I need only 500 likes on this episode. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to Stunt Devil Lifestyle. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of stunt riding tricks. This is Syed Ghosh signing off. See you soon in the next episode.